Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Apples and bananas, so sweet and so bright. A sandwich with cheese, what a yummy delight. Carrots and hummus for a crunchy bite. My lunchbox is packed, everything's just right. Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Grapes and strawberries, oh what a treat. Oranges and peaches, so juicy and sweet. Sometimes there's a kiwi with seeds like a star. Eating all this fruit will make me strong as a car. Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Broccoli and cucumbers, so crunchy and green. Peppers and tomatoes, the best you've ever seen. A little bit of dip to make them taste grand. Eating all my veggies, I'm the healthiest in the land. Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Crackers and cheese or a yogurt cup. A handful of nuts to keep my energy up. Sometimes there's a cookie, but just one or two. A balance of snacks to help me play and learn. Woohoo! Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Water in my bottle to keep me hydrated, or maybe some milk, that's how I'm rated. A little bit of juice when I need a sweet sip. Whatever I'm drinking, I won't let it drip. Lunchbox, lunchbox, what's inside? Open it up, take a look, no need to hide. Sometimes there's a surprise, a mystery treat. A note from my mom saying you're so sweet. Maybe it's a sticker or a tiny toy. Finding a surprise fills me with joy. Lunchbox, lunchbox.